Hi everyone, I'm going to explain how to create a project in Google Earth. So once you've clicked the link to get to Google Earth, you're going to come over to these sidebars and you're going to hover over the one that looks like this, and you'll see that the word projects is going to pop up. Let me give that one more try. All right, well, my computer's slow, but anyway, this is the symbol that you are going to click. So you'll go ahead and click on projects. There it comes. And you are going to click this blue button that says New Project, and you want to create your project in Google Drive. So go ahead and click that. Now, you will need to give your project a title. So I'm going to call mine Ancient Civilizations. And if you want, there is a tutorial down here that you can click, and it'll pop up over here for you to watch to show you how to add new things. So you can go ahead and click that and watch that if you are interested. If not, you can go ahead and start by clicking New Feature, and you're going to search to add a place. So I'm going to start with the pyramids. So we're going to look up the pyramids in ancient Egypt. Now, of course, a lot of the landmarks from your ancient civilizations are probably not there still. Okay, so clearly my search for pyramids brought me to somewhere not in Egypt. So I'm going to say ancient pyramids and see what happens. And I want to make sure that my location is going to be in Egypt. Nope, still didn't. So let's type in Egypt. Here we go. So we've got the Great Pyramid of Giza, and that's the one that we were looking for. So you can see it moved us all the way to Egypt. So I'm going to select the Great Pyramid of Giza, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then once this pops up, I'm going to click Add to Project, right? And it's the Ancient Civilizations project. So go ahead and click Save. Okay, and now I can see my Ancient Civilizations project is saving, and here's the Great Pyramid of Giza. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to edit the Great Pyramid of Giza here. And this is where I can start adding in information. So I can put a certain place mark. So I want it to be on the Great Pyramid, so that looks good. I can change all of the information and data here. I can even take this little man and this little symbol and drag it somewhere, and that's going to give me a 360, like a real life view. You're going to see it change in a second. So I can pick a view of the pyramid that I want. If I'm happy with this one, I can click Capture This View. And so that way in my project, when it comes up, this is what I'm going to see. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now is see the spot where it says there's information provided by Google. I want to replace that, and I want to add my own information. So now that I clicked replace, you'll see I have a text box, right? So here's where I can insert an image of the pyramid. So if I wanted to do that, I can go ahead and click the image, do a Google image search, and I'm going to do Pyramid of Giza. Got a nice image there. And you'll see later how this is added into the presentation. And this is where I'm going to type in all of my information. So if, let's say, right now I wanted to talk about the fact that ancient Egypt was beneficial because of their ability to create incredible structures and build using the little technology that they had. So maybe this is the slide where I talk about that being beneficial in Egypt. So I can go ahead and type all of my information here. I can also hyperlink anything that I need to. So you are able to hyperlink your sources when you are finished pasting or excuse me, when you're finished typing there. So you can go ahead and type there and then paste your sources in if you would like to include those. Once you are done with that, we're good to go. If you want, you can preview your presentation. So this is going to show kind of what your presentation looks like. So this time when I come into your presentation, you'll see this image because this is what I selected. And then over here underneath this will be where all of my information is typed. Okay, and then you'll click to go to the next slide and click all the way through your presentation. That is it. Good luck.